Ah, ano ba ang sikreto ng pagiging mag-asawa? Mamalay ko. 13 years pa lang ako mag-asawa. Tsaka malalaki na kayo. Desisyon niyo yun. Always buhay na. Pero, meron akong nakitang video sa TikTok noong isang araw. And the guy was saying, alam ba natin kung bakit ang lalaki ang head ng family? Hindi natin alam. Basta parang kinalaki natin head na siya ng family kasi lalaki siya. But the guy was saying, it's because God created Adam first. And God made Adam responsible. Responsible for all living things on earth. His job was to name each and every animal. Yun yung job niya, pangalanan lahat, or bigyan ng pangalan ang lahat ng animals that was roaming the earth. Now, he was doing his job, but God saw that he was sad. He was lonely. Kasi mag-isa lang siya. So God thought, man can never be alone. So hence, he created Eve. And Eve, huwag kayong ano dun sa tawag ni God sa ating mga kababaihan na it doesn't mean that parang nade-diminish yung pagiging babae natin. But ang tawag sa atin sa Bible ay helper. The way I would interpret helper is we help Adam, our husband, emotionally, mentally. Kasi yun yung job natin. Ikaw, non-rev, ikaw, your job is to protect your wife and your children, to provide, because you are responsible for her. I think being married for 13 years, we sometimes, or a lot of times, we forget the real design of marriage. Kasi nagulo na tayo lahat, hindi na natin alam kung sino ba dapat ang naghahari sa pamilya. But as far as I'm concerned, yung pastor namin ng asawa ko, that's how he explained it to me. I have a very strong personality, and hearing that, I realized that, okay, this is my place. And whatever decision my husband would make, kahit na medyo ayoko, I will follow. Kasi yun ang design. I think that's the secret. I don't know. Tama ba yan? But my husband was saying, you know, there'll be conflict. Normal naman yung pagtatalo sa mag-asawa, diba? Pero kanina kakasabi lang niya sa akin, alam niyo ba kung bakit tinatawag na pagtatalo? Kasi walang nananalo. Pagtatalo. So, ibig sabihin, siguro hindi naman lahat ng conflict pwede nating palakihin, going away. We can just choose our battle. But I know that you guys will have a wonderful life together. Thank you for having all of us here. God bless both of you and your children and the new one coming. Love you, Angie. Is it
Do you